and caring. You know what? Sabi ko nga, we must fill our hearts with love so that hatred will never have a space on it. Tama? And that's what's happening now in JCI Makati. We really love each other. It's now time to create a new culture of greatness. Because if you were asked me to choose between being happy or great, I will always choose to become great. Because not all happy people are great. Always remember, all great people will always be happy. And that's JCI Makati. We started 5, and I'm targeting 220 by 2020. And I want JCI Makati to reach the category, ano ba? Ano ba mas marami? 1 or 3? O 1, ayun. Malay ko ba? Kasi hindi ko naman alam anong category tayo. But I would like Makati to redeem itself again during the time of our great presidents, such as Christina and the rest. Our vision, Makati, by 2020, 220 members, we have 220 members by 2020. Brotherhood, we are not just an organization, but we are a fellowship of leaders. Model, to be the model chapter of greatness across New Chamber International. And I would like to announce here, and I would like to also to take this opportunity to thank my very good friend, my treasurer, of course, ladies and gentlemen, Treasurer Joey Garcia, to make everything happen. He is, I'm declaring the 2020 President of JCI Makati. But it's up to him. But I'm a visionary. I know he will accept it. Parang ko yan eh. Ayoko maging president. Hindi, ayoko. At the end of the day, you know, being a president, you don't ask for it. You don't claim it. You don't just... Alam mo yun, yung parang, gusto ko maging presidente kasi gusto kong gamitin dyan pansarili kong kapakanan. I said no 100 times. But my heart is always saying yes. Simple lang naman ang sabi ng puso ko, gusto mo utak ko, wala kang pera, wala kang pera. Ang hirap i-balance, di ba? Ayun, si Joey may pera. And that's what you call partnership. Di ba? And that's what you call other people's money. Then, seriously, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na in 6 months,